Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So before we get into the video, there is just something I would like to talk to you about. It is that yesterday I found out that my grandmother has been diagnosed with breast cancer. I really do hope she will be okay, but my auntie has decided for her birthday this year she is asking for donations to a fundraiser she has started. The fundraiser is for Cancer Australia. Cancer Australia is a leading non-government cancer charity. They work all aspects of every cancer, research to prevention and support. So I'm asking for your help by please donating to the charity, and the help will help the Cancer Council do their research and reach their goal of a cancer-free future. Thank you in advance. The link is in the description down below. I'm using a piece of cream colored A4 card and I've folded it in half, and now I'm using a glue stick to glue down a A4 size handmade craft paper to the front and back. I've cut a piece of thin green paper and I'm gluing it to the center of the card. I still had plenty of that golden black paper I used in the last video. If you haven't seen that yet, I will link it down below in the description. But I've just cut out a Christmas wreath and I'm using some Mod Podge to glue it down. Next, I am using a green marker to write Merry Christmas at the top of the card. With a white paint pen, I am dotting on some snow around the wreath. Now on each tip of the holly leaves in the wreath, I am gluing down some rhinestones, and to finish off, I am outlining the wreath with white paint pen. For the second card, I folded A4 red card in half and I cut a piece of thin green paper and glued it down on an angle on the red card. I've got a white Christmas tree cut out and gluing it down to the center of the green paper. Now I've grabbed some gold stars and I'm gluing both of them down to the corners of the red card. I added some rhinestones to the tip of the tree branches and to the tips of the stars. At the top of the tree, draw a star using a white paint pen and finish it off by adding a stone to the center of the star. Add some snow dots and write Merry Christmas. For number 3, I am using a A4 red card. I've folded it in half and I'm going to use just the negative space from the Christmas tree cutout, and for the background I've got this paper that looks like it has red diamonds all over it. I cut the red diamond paper and glued it to the back of the tree cutout, and now I am gluing that down to the center of the card. Adding snow with a white paint pen. And now to finish off, gluing down some rhinestones to the white dots. For card number 4, I folded a piece of white A4 card and gluing down some handmade craft paper to the card. You can find this kind of paper from any craft store. I found some green leaf cutouts for DIY card making, and I'm just using the negative space again with a bit of gold and black paper for the background and gluing it all down. I decided to glue it down onto the card with an angle. You can place it however you like. And to finish off, I wrote Merry Christmas in white. This card is very similar to number 4. I've folded white card and I've added some homemade craft paper to it. Now using another green leaf and gluing that down to the center of the card. I've cut 2 strips of red paper and I am gluing them to the card, with one on the bottom left side corner and the other at the top right side corner. on the edge of the red strips, I am applying some glue, and I will be gluing some strips of rhinestones down to the edge of the red paper. I then decided to also add some rhinestones to the top left corner of the green paper and a bit at the bottom right corner. To finish off, I just wrote Merry Christmas. Thank you all so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed my second DIY Christmas card making tutorial that I had for you today. And if you did, don't forget to go ahead and leave me a like or comment down below. It really does help my channel out if you're interacting. And if you are new here, hi, welcome, go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you here, and don't forget to click the notification bell, which is located right next to the subscribe button, and select all notifications to be notified when I upload my next video. And other than that, stay creative. Bye.